Hello and welcome to Star Academy. Today we will explore Jean Piaget's theory of cognitive development, with its four stages of cognitive development. Before discussing his theory, let's discover what do we mean by cognitive development. Cognitive development is the process by which thinking, understanding, and reasoning skills evolve throughout life. Cognitive development is not just about acquiring knowledge, it's about how we use that knowledge to solve problems, make decisions, and learn from our experiences. This growth occurs through interactions with our environment and through biological maturation. Children, for example, think very differently from adults, as their cognitive abilities are still developing. Cognitive development studies help us understand how these mental functions evolve as we age. Several prominent theories help explain cognitive development. Key theories of cognitive development are Jean Piaget's stages of development, Lev Vygotsky's sociocultural theory, and information processing theory. In this video, we will learn Jean Piaget's theory of cognitive development. The remaining theories will be discussed in next videos. Please subscribe and press the bell icon to get notifications about our latest videos. Now let's move forward to explore Piaget's theory. Jean Piaget's theory of cognitive development explains how children gradually construct the mental model of the world. His theory is built on four distinct stages, each representing a unique way of thinking and understanding. Let's go through these stages one by one. The sensory-motor stage, birth to 2 years, is the first stage in Piaget's theory of cognitive development. During this stage, infants explore the world through their senses and motor activities, gradually learning to interact with their environment in more purposeful ways. Key features of this stage include object permanence. Infants learn that objects continue to exist even when they cannot be seen, heard, or touched. Motor skills development. Infants begin to control and coordinate their physical movements. Sensory exploration. They rely heavily on sensory experiences, such as touching and observing, to understand the world around them. Cause and effect understanding. Babies start to realize that their actions can lead to specific outcomes. For example, pressing a button causes a toy to light up. Imitation. Infants begin to mimic behaviors they observe in others, like facial expressions or sounds. Trial and error learning. Babies test different actions to see the results, helping them learn how things work. Coordination of reflexes. Newborn reflexes, such as sucking and grasping, become more coordinated and deliberate as the child develops. This stage is crucial for laying the foundation of cognitive abilities that will be further developed in later stages. The pre-operational stage in Jean Piaget's theory spans from ages 2 years to 7 years. During this time, children develop the ability to think symbolically. It means they use words, images, and objects to represent things. For example, they might use a stick as a pretend sword, or start forming sentences to express their ideas. However, their thinking is still egocentric. It means they struggle to see things from others' perspectives. They assume that everyone sees and thinks the same way they do. A key challenge in this stage is understanding conservation. This is the idea that quantities, like liquid or objects, stay the same even when their shape or appearance changes. A child might think a taller glass has more water than a shorter one, even if the amount is identical. Overall, the pre-operational stage is about exploring symbols and ideas, but logical thinking hasn't fully developed yet. The third stage in Jean Piaget's theory is concrete operational stage, which occurs from ages 7 years to 11. In this stage, children's thinking becomes more logical and organized, but still focused on concrete objects and events. They can now understand concepts like conservation, realizing that changing the shape of an object doesn't change its quantity. For example, they know that even if you spread out a row of coins, the number remains the same. Children also start to develop decentration, meaning they can consider multiple aspects of a situation rather than focusing on just one. This helps them solve problems in a more logical way. However, their thinking is still tied to real, tangible situations, and they struggle with abstract or hypothetical ideas. Overall, this stage marks significant progress in logical thinking, but it is still grounded in concrete experiences. The fourth stage of Jean Piaget's theory is formal operational stage, which begins around age 12 and continues into adulthood. In this stage, individuals develop the ability to think abstractly and reason logically about hypothetical situations. They can engage in deductive reasoning, meaning they can draw conclusions based on general principles. And they start thinking about possibilities beyond the present moment, like future planning or solving complex problems. They also develop metacognition, the ability to think about their own thinking, which helps them evaluate different solutions and perspectives. This stage allows for understanding abstract concepts like love, justice, and morality, making this period essential for higher level thinking and critical reasoning. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. Take care, and goodbye.